Hello, good morning everyone. Student class 7 subject GK. Open the book. Page number आपका है 42. The state government. There are 29 states, 6 union territories and 1 national capital territory in the Indian Union. The government at the state level has been modeled on the central pattern. It consists of the government as the council of ministers headed by the chief minister. There is a legislature for every state which consists of the governor and 1 or 2 houses as the case may be. If the state has only one house, it is known as legislative assembly. Vidhan Sabha. If a state has 2 houses, the other house is called the unicameral legislative council. Vidhan Parishad. The state having 1 house are called unicameral and the state having 2 houses bicameral. At present only 7 states are bicameral. They are Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Jammu, Kashmir, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh. The Vidhan Sabha has a term of 5 years. Yes, Vidhan Parishad is a parliament body with 1/3 of the members retiring every second year. The permissible strength of member in assembly and legislative council varies from state to state. At present the maximum is that of Uttar Pradesh with 403 seats in the assembly and 31 seats in the council. Quiz number 1. India, that is Bharat, shall be union of state across in which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution? A. इसका है 8. इस पर राइट का टिक करेंगे. द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज इलेक्टेड इनडायरेक्टली बाय द इलेक्टोरल कॉलेज कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ द elected members of D. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and state legislative assemblies. 3. What is the minimum age prescribed for a candidate to be elected to the office of the President of India? 35 years. 4. What is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha, Vice President of India? 5. What is the minimum age required to become the Prime Minister of India? 25 years. 6. Which of the India state has the largest electorate? Uttar Pradesh. 7. How many states in India have 2 houses with legislative assembly and legislative council? 7. 8. A money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. Who dictate whether a bill is a money bill or not? Speaker of the Lok Sabha. 9. Who can participate in the proceeding of either house of parliament as a non-member but does not have a right to vote? Attorney General. What is the elective strength of the Lok Sabha? 445. Who presided over the session of the Lok Sabha? Speaker of the Lok Sabha. 12. How many members can the president nominate to the Rajya Sabha? 12. 13. In terms of the number of electorate, which is the smallest Lok Sabha constitution in India? Lakshadweep. 14. The whom are the state governors responsible for their action? President of India. 15. What is the list of eligible citizens who are entitled to cast their vote in an election called electoral roll? ये जो आपको जीके में वर्क बताया गया है इसे आपको अपनी जीके की नोटबुक में नोट करना है. उसे बुक में भी फिल करना है. जो भी आपको वर्क बताया जा रहा है उसे आप नोट करते रहिए. टेक केयर एंड थैंक यू.